In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Creative Assistant in Mailchimp. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, Mailchimp's Creative Assistant is a powerful tool that can help bring your brand to life with stunning visuals. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access and set up your brand within Mailchimp. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for all your designs. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the brand section. Here, you can upload your brand assets like logos, brand colors, and fonts. This helps Mailchimp's Creative Assistant tailor suggestions to match your brand's identity. If you haven't already created a brand kit, this is a perfect time to do so, ensuring consistency across all your marketing materials. Remember, a well-defined brand is key to effective communication with your audience. Once your brand is set up, it's time to generate your design. Head over to the Creative Assistant tab. Here, you'll see a variety of templates and design elements that are aligned with your brand's aesthetic. The beauty of the Creative Assistant is its use of artificial intelligence to curate designs that suit your marketing goals and resonate with your audience. Select a template that catches your eye and fits the theme of your current campaign. Feel free to explore different layouts and color schemes until you find the perfect match. Mailchimp makes it simple to visualize how your brand elements will appear in various formats, from newsletters to social media posts. Now that you have a design, the next step is to edit and save it. Click on the design you've chosen to enter the editing mode. Here you have the flexibility to tweak text, swap images, and adjust colors to better fit the message you'd like to convey. Take your time to make sure every detail aligns with your brand's voice and objectives. If you get stuck or need inspiration, Mailchimp offers helpful guidance and suggestions. Once you're satisfied with your design, don't forget to save it. You can save it to your content library for easy access later, or share it directly with your team for feedback. After creating and refining your design, it's time to put it to work in a campaign. From the dashboard, select the type of campaign you want to launch, be it an email, social media ad, or something else. When prompted, choose the design you crafted with the Creative Assistant. Incorporate your design into the campaign by dragging it into the appropriate slot and watch how it transforms your communication strategy. Lastly, let's discuss importing your HTML. If you're familiar with HTML and want more control over your design, or perhaps you have an externally created template, Mailchimp allows you to import HTML directly. This feature is particularly useful for those intricate details that require a personal touch. Simply go to the Code Your Own section under Templates and paste your HTML code. This gives you the chance to fully customize and ensure every element meets your high graphic standards. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to harnessing the power of the Creative Assistant in Mailchimp. By following these instructions, you're not just crafting a message, you're building a memorable experience for your audience.